On YouTube. Don't know if I ever told you about this, but about on the 24th of the 3rd 2008 I went to Frank's and helped him do some leaflets, because I don't take my car out much. Well, anyway, to my surprise, a week later I got a summons through the door saying that I jumped a red light, and I'm like, jumped a red light, don't remember jumping a red light, cannot recall jumping a red light. And I'm not in habit of jumping red lights. The reason my girlfriend even said to me when I said, oh, I've got a notice for jumping a red light, she goes, you don't drive at red lights. She goes, I do, because I live in London, but I jumped a red light once when I first passed my test. I got told off by a policeman and I've never jumped a light since. Well, I get a letter through there saying I've jumped a red light, and I asked for I basically wrote a letter saying, can I have the evidence please, because I don't recall doing this, and that concerns me more than anything, because if I've jumped a light, pay the bill. It's not really a problem, but I don't remember doing it. So anyway, I'm going to pay the bill because I can't be bothered to argue, but this is why I don't remember doing it, and this is what pisses me off about the police station and the dictatorial fucking country we live in, and also the way that they address things to me in capital letters, so I give up my human rights. Look up that, you'll find out about it. I write with regard to the above mentioned reference number. For your information, please find enclosed a copy of the photographic evidence. As you will see, you crossed the white stop line whilst the lights had been red for 0.8 of a second. And your vehicle was travelling at 21 miles an hour. Now, we can do the maths here if we really wanted to, but apparently it was on red for 0.8 of a second. Now, I'll show you the pictures. The first picture is me over the white line by 2 foot. You can see that my front wheel is well over the white line, right? And apparently the traffic light has been on red for 0.8 of a second when this was taken. Now, not being funny, but that traffic light would have been on amber when I went over that line, because where I am positioned, where the camera's taking a picture of me, I wouldn't be able to see the red light. And our traffic lights go green, amber, red, and you're taught, if you're approaching a traffic light that goes to amber, if there's nothing behind you and it's convenient to stop, but if there's traffic behind you, continue, because you could cause an accident. Now, there wasn't traffic behind me, so I haven't got that excuse, okay? But as I say, I'm 2 foot over this line at least. There's no way I would have seen this red light. So as I've crossed the line, it was amber. This has taken the picture and I've gone round the corner. And then the picture that's been taken, what, probably not even 2 or 3 seconds later. Let me see, what's it actually say here? Alright, anyone who can read this bullshit at the top. 40, oh well, it doesn't give you the seconds. V21. R014. No, it doesn't give you the seconds, but I'll show you the pictures, and you can see how close it is. It's that close. As I say, if I actually remember crossing the red light, I wouldn't mind. But this was so fucking close, right? I've held a full licence in this country for 18 years, right? I've not had 1 point on my licence. I have not been done for anything. Ever, right? I've always had car tax, I've always had insurance, I've always had an MOT, I'm a law-abiding citizen, I understand why you shouldn't jump red lights, yet 0.8 of a second, I get a £60 fine and 3 points put on my licence, right? Now 3 points being put on my licence will increase my insurance by about £100 a year. So as I've already made the decision to sell my car at the end of this year, they've taken me off the road. The police station has successfully taken me off the road because, as I say, I write out a cheque and I'm going to, what's his name, but there's no way I'm paying for insurance for 3 points on it. It can fuck off.